Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Amazon Athena to S3 for serverless analytics step by step clearly. Begin by logging in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service from the AWS Services menu. Click on the Create Bucket button to create a new S3 bucket. Enter a unique name for your bucket and select a region that suits your needs. Review and adjust the bucket settings as needed, then click Create Bucket. Once your bucket is created, click on the bucket name. Upload your data files to the bucket by clicking the Upload button. Follow the prompts to add files to your bucket, then click Upload to finish. Now, navigate back to the AWS Management Console and select the Athena service. If it's your first time using Athena, a prompt may appear to set up your query results location. Click on Set up Query Result Location to specify your S3 bucket for results. In the dialog box, enter the S3 path using the bucket you just created. For example, you can use S3 / your bucket name / query results /. Click Save to set this as your query results location. Next, start by creating a new database in Athena. In the Athena query editor, enter a SQL command to create a database. A simple example is, create database my_database. Run the query by clicking the Run Query button. After the database is created, you need to create a table for your data. Use a SQL statement to define the table schema based on your data files. For instance, use create external table my_table, column 1 string, column 2 int, followed by the necessary parameters. Make sure to include the location of your data files in S3 in the table definition. For example, location S3 / your bucket name /path / to /data /. Run the query to create the table. To ensure your table is connected properly, you can run a simple select query. For example, select * from my_table limit 10. This will return the first 10 records from your table. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your data displayed in the Athena query results. You are now ready to begin performing serverless analytics on your data in S3 using Amazon Athena. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.